Welcome to DXtrade, the cutting-edge multi-asset trading platform built for retail and professional traders, offering advanced charting, lightning-fast execution, and a sleek, intuitive interface. In this video, we will take a look at placing orders on DXtrade Mobile. Opening positions on DXtrade Mobile could not be simpler. From a watch list, tap your desired symbol and its chart, and an order ticket will appear. Make sure you have selected either a market order, which opens a position instantly, or a pending order, where you may open a position at a predetermined price. Please note that when market is selected, the buy and sell buttons act as one-click trade buttons, and a position will be opened at the position size displayed in lots. You may practice good risk management by selecting the stop loss button. Ensure that you have selected the direction of your trade, buy or sell. You may alter the stop-loss closeout price or set a value in pips, profit and loss, or by the percentage balance of your account. For example, setting a price above a swing high in a sell trade and adjusting your position size will create the required risk percentage you desire. Tap Take Profit and enter the corresponding figures, lower than the entry price, to create the desired profit and risk-reward ratio. Tap the Sell button and you will be notified by the Filled Order pop-up. A label will appear on the chart displaying the open position by the direction, buy or sell, current P&L, and whether you have set a stop loss and take profit. In the label Positions, you may click the eye icon to hide or show any open positions. Back to the home screen, you may tap Portfolio and Positions to see your open trades. Tap on any one to see full details. You may modify any position here, where you may adjust the stop loss and/or the take profit. Tap Submit to update. To close or effect a partial close, click here and fully close, or enter a figure to close a portion of your position. Also, tapping here or rotating your smartphone will allow you to view charts in horizontal mode. Simply slide out the order ticket. To create a pending order, tap the Market button to select that option. If the entry price is set lower than the current price, you may select a buy limit or sell stop. Once you enter a stop loss level, the platform will determine what kind of pending order you are trying to set and adjust accordingly. For example, setting a stop loss higher than your pending entry price will obviously be a sell stop, where the trader expects price action to fall to the entry price and continue falling to the take profit, which can be set as well. And just like the market order, you may set your position size to match your risk profile. An order placed pop-up will inform you when the order has been registered. Returning to the home screen and selecting Portfolio and Orders, you may modify the existing orders by changing the entry price, the position size, the stop loss, and the take profit. You may also change the duration, and the default is good till canceled. You may also select an expiry date at the close of the day, or good till date and select a date in the future. Tap Submit and an order placed pop-up will appear. And to delete an order, tap Cancel, and you will be informed by the appropriate pop-up. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this DXtrade video series and your new exciting trading journey.